Mira. Ahora sí, vente pa, vente pa, vente, vente, vente. Pa. Agárrala. Oh. What is up, Tank Crew? Today we have a very special episode because I had the blessing that not a lot of people get to do this, and I went to one of the private ponds in Laredo. We met a friend of ours and he has access, and he gave us the access, and it was awesome. It was awesome. It was dope. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. We got our butts kicked by my friend Daniel, but it was dope, and there's some big fish there. Some big fish there. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff, and enjoy. There we go. Woo! No! No! Y no estaba grabando. Nice. Nice. Welcome back, guys. I already lost 2 fish. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. You see, guys, usually I don't catch anything. I don't know. No. Of course. Sí, mira. Mendigo árbol. No, hombre, un árbol. Ay. Y la acaba de cambiar. No cacharé muchos pescados, pero ¿cómo cacho árboles? ¿Ya trae algo? Hijo de su madre. Su mecha. Dang, look at that. Mira nomás. Dang, ¿sí hay?
Yeah.
Sí hay. Ahí va el primero del día. Ya me ganó. Ya me ganó. 2 bites, no fish.
There's fish here.
There is fish here. ¿Qué número es esa? First bite? Oh,
First bite, yeah.
dang, first bite. Let's go. Que comience la fiesta. Este técnicamente no es para Texas Rig, pero otro. Oh. Dije, eso ya es burla. Es que... Otro. Híjole. It looks like a big one. Daniel is on fire over there. Dang. Vamos a ver. Nice. 2-0-0. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, 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 pa, 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 pa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Whoa. Oh my God. Please. Oh yes, it's recording. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Dang. Woo! Oh my God. See, I? 263. Double up. Did we double up? A ver. Wow. Vamos a ver. Double up. Double up. Let's go. Míralo. Boom. Double up. There we go. Pa, faltas tú, pa. Vamos a ver.
Está buenísimo ese.
Sí, 2.5. Vamos a tirarlo así. Despacito. Ah, ¿sabes qué? Foto. Bendito, ya le iba a tirar para adentro. Sígueme, sígueme. A ver. Vamos a ver. There you go, baby. Ah. Me encanta cuando hacen eso. Que no se mueven y se voltean. No, no es cierto. Sí, no, me encanta cuando se mueven despacito. Y no lo grabé. Sí, saldo. Otro. Vámonos. Ahí está, vámonos. Otro grandote. ¡Ah! La cámara.
Está más grande todavía.
Ese sí está bueno. Mira. Ahora sí, vente. Pa. Agárrala. No. Oh! Damn! What?
Mira, métele la mano en el hocico.
What? I don't know. Pon la cámara ahí. A ver. Oh my God. Yo creo que este es mi PB.
Sí.
Todo. Agarra. Look at that, guys. It doesn't fit. I mean. No. Wow. ¿Dónde está? Bueno, para arriba. Look at this, guys. Whoa. No, sí. ¿Ya? ¿Así? Well, guys, this is a real tank. 394. 4 pounds. Wow. Ahora sí, a regresarlo. Wow. Dang. Los dos fueron grandotes. Los dos que caché. Wow. Guys. Literal. So, we're here with Daniel. Daniel, it's 10:30. ¿Cuántos son?
Conclusion. If you have the right attitude, bring positive
Vibes?
vibes, I guess. I mean, we're super happy. This is a pristine place. Very few people get to fish here, and I'm blessed. I'm super happy. I've been fishing here for 3 years, and I'm happy to invite Alex here.
No,
and
that
he
was
is happy too, I guess.
That was awesome. That was awesome. Two of my biggest fish on the same day. I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to. I mean, hopefully one day when we go to Falcon.
Yeah.
When we go to Falcon, I've heard the story. So I have the boat, I have the attitude, I don't know what else I have. He has the lures. He's the one that gave me the lures. But guys, tank crew, this is awesome. Dad, hopefully we catch one. If we finish here, we finish here. Tank crew, 2 tanks today. That's crazy. Tank crew, we out. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Tank crew, we out. Órale pa, en caliente.
Sí.
Chiquititititito.
Juguete. Ese es de juguete.
Wow, bro. Wow. ¿Ves? ¿Qué te dije? Vámonos. ¡Woo! Stay low, baby. Stay low, baby. ¡Flip or die! ¡Dang! Está chiquito. Yo creo que de dos.
¿Es igual que el primero?
No, yo creo que es más chiquito. ¡Boom! Vámonos. Vámonos, guys. Boom, boom. Foto. Vámonos. Sí, bye. Vamos a tirarlo. Wow. Sí, pero es que está muy cerquita aquí. ¿Quieres tratarle con este? Well, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, check upperdeckfishing.com for that Bulldog bass combo pack. And keep fishing, you know. Keep getting those tanks. I mean, those fish were awesome. Amazing. And now we have a little bit of different things going on. So hopefully I get to do more videos. But I'm a little bit more busy once again. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. See you guys next time. Tank crew, we out.